Hello guys, so breaking news from Visual Romano just dropped update saying Noni Madueke to Arsenal. Here we go. Say Arsenal signed Noni Madueke, he gets for about 50 million and with add-ons included. You get so Noni Madueke to Arsenal. Here we go. Fee agreed in excess of 50 million with add-ons included. So the green lights from Chelsea, Madueke already agreed 5-year deal. So what's it remain? Now making this set to complete the move and do but Chris Whitley when they also report say okay before this before this funny message from the James Eduardo Hagen. Chris Whitley does the Arsenal agreed a 50 million pound fee with Chelsea to sign on the Madueke. Then Dean James and Eduardo Hagen when they argue. Now you see the word way Dean James they use on Eduardo Hagen, and the reason that because Eduardo Hagen don't talk bad things about Noni Madueke, how he's useless, how is this, why are we going to Chelsea? You know those get that mindset of they go Chelsea, go carry Chelsea player. So, but I like the fact say as you don't sign the player, he can't get a turnaround. He can say, okay, we don't sign him, so we don't sign him. Noni Madueke, I hope you prove every doubter, including myself, wrong. Now you are Arsenal. Don't use the love emoji, and that's the spirit. You get whether you like the player, or, you know whether you know like him. You get he don't come, be saying don't come. Show him love. Keep an open mind. Give him the chance to prove you wrong, which is what I've been asking a lot of people to do. You get so he's here. Welcome to Arsenal. If you watch this evening podcast, I even said it that Ateta I'm going to take on the Madueke play. Say Ateta won't sign Madueke and he won't sign the very easy. If they get these two, whether they're going to bring in another left winger again, I don't think so. That is the mindset from all the research I don't do. That is the mindset of Ateta and Andrea Berta. Yes. Unless maybe they can't shock me, can't bring in a left because Eberechi can play the left. Remember, Martinelli is still here. Unless if Trossard can't go, maybe they'll come bring in somebody. But I said to say by the end of the day, Trossard will go. Martinelli will still here. Eberechi will join us. Then the Madueke don't join us. Let's will get needed breathing space. Let's not go kill this boy for me. Yeah, so I just say very, very happy. Me, is Noni Madueke what class? No. But is he capable to be a cover for Bukayo Saka? Yes. Yes. Can he develop? Yes. This 23-year-old for crying out loud. He can develop to becoming that star player that we want him to be. And the way me, I see him. So welcome to Arsenal, and I hope you're coming to Arsenal. We bring good tidings, we bring good luck to us, and that's what that's all they cry for. We don't see him. So by the Arsenal lovers, we'll just see it to go. So I see this breaking news. Go. I see make Aaron can't give you now. All right, guys. As we be.